Here's a nice bonus room that I got above my garage, or my barn-shaped garage. What a mess. I have more crap on all of my benches. The floor is an absolute disaster. Look at the sawdust over here. This is just absolutely insane. I haven't used this place in like a year. There's cobwebs hanging that are the size of yarn. It's a cool space. I think it's time to let this wood shop go. Got a whole bunch of vintage Craftsman tools. It's my wood pile, bunch of pellet wood. There's another vintage Craftsman drill press. Got an old lathe from 1920. Just chilling here in the back. All my sandpaper. I even got a Craftsman clock. Would you look at that? Bins with all kinds of bolts and nuts, chains, hose clamps, staples, all these drill bit kits up on top. Some more wood. That's how I heat this place. It works pretty good. This little tiny one. Piece of countertop turned into another table. Radial arm saw. Here's an old Craftsman belt sander. This is a beast. Big one. Got a bandsaw. Old Craftsman bandsaw. These all work. They all work really well. Old scroll saw, Craftsman. Really deep neck on that one. A jointer. Again, old Craftsman. Old Craftsman jointer. This table saw is awesome. I love it, but the fence is a POS. So one of the ears broke off of it right there, so it doesn't do what it's supposed to do anymore, but still very solid. It's nice looking. I bought it from the original owner. This thing dates back to the early 60s. I bought this thing at Home Depot and I never even used it. Never even put a drum on it yet. So I think this space, this awesome space with these cool floors and this really cool ceiling needs to have a new purpose. I need to come up with an idea, because this isn't doing anybody any good. Especially not me. I mean, some things I will keep. Like I'll keep my grinder and my buffer. I have a key duplicating machine. There's an old Craftsman drill press, stands as tall as I am, which is almost 6 foot. A lot of stuff. I gotta have a yard sale or something. Well, thanks for hanging out with me in my wood shop here for a few minutes. Any ideas what I can do with this place, let me know. I'd like to hear from you.